what up? We in Vonte's world.
Monte's world.
Vonte's world. We're just living in it.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn. Okay, so y'all, I got the Durango here, as you can see. Now, as I was painting the undercarriage and filling in the rust yesterday, I started working on this trunk area. It was a little rust up top and like towards the bottom, so I started working on it, you know what I'm saying, trying to get it right. But as I was working on it, some of the rust just started completely coming off of it. So we got a couple like little holes in there, you know, going down, going along. So I sprayed it with the the rust corrosion spray after I sanded it and got all the flaky rust parts off. So now what we gonna do to fix this, and like I said, this is gonna be a quick fix. We got some Bondo fiberglass right here. See if we can focus. We got some Bondo fiberglass. So what we gonna do is go ahead, mix up this fiberglass right here, fill in these spots, and then we gonna touch them up with some just some regular Rust-Oleum black gloss paint, you know what I'm saying? So we gonna blend it in. We're gonna get everything right, you know what I'm saying? Get the Bondo in there to lay down, sand it down nice and smooth like, and then we're gonna hit it with the paint and get this boy back right, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna set the camera down right here and we're gonna get right into the motherfucking video. Yeah, So I got the Bondo right here. I got this container, so we just gonna mix it up in here. So we're gonna start off with about this much right here. Got my little mixer right here. And got the hardener. So what I do when I use this stuff is just take the hardener and just draw a line across the Bondo, not too much. Yeah, so that should be good right there. Then I just mix it back and forth like this. Alright y'all, so as y'all can see, we got the first layer on there right now. So we just gonna sit and wait for this to dry up, and then once it dries, we're gonna sand it down, put another layer, and we're gonna keep going until it's all the way right. And then once it gets nice and smooth, we go over it with some paint. So until then, till it's done drying, I'm gonna go ahead, which I didn't even tell y'all, but let me get this stuff. So yesterday when I was doing this, knocking out some of this rust, I noticed that my tail light wasn't working. I'm gonna see if I can show y'all right now. So when I turn my lights on, as y'all can see, this side is working, but this side is not. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop this light out, change the bulb on it while I'm waiting on this to dry. While I'm waiting on all this to dry up. So that's what I'm doing in the meantime, man. Alright y'all, so as you can see, I got the tail light off. Now when I took the tail light off, I have the bulb right here. Try to see if I can get it in focus. I got the bulb right here, but the bulb is still good, so there's nothing wrong with the bulb itself. It's actually, let me see if I can get this in focus. Let's see. It's actually the socket here. It's burnt out, you know, it look old and burnt out, so we got to replace this. So I went to AutoZone and I grabbed a new socket, and I'm gonna use the same bulb. But I also figured out, guys, when I took this one off, I also took the other tail light off too, and they were missing reverse lights. So, and they were missing the sockets for the reverse lights. So I got a new socket for the brake light in the middle, and then I got two new sockets for the reverse lights, and two bulbs for the reverse lights, because it had no lights in it. Let me show y'all real quick. Let's see. Show y'all what I'm talking about. So as you can see right here, you see it's supposed to be three sockets going down, but it's only one at the top. The middle one is right here, that's the one that was burnt out, and the bottom one right here, which is the reverse light, was completely empty. So, you know, we're about to go ahead and install those new lights in there, new sockets, and put some bulb grease on them. All right, y'all, so I did that side, put the new bulb in there, put bulb grease on all the bulbs inside of there, and we put it back on. Now it's just time to start the car and see if everything is working right. So. Alright y'all, so my camera battery died, but as y'all could see in that last clip, it was something a little freaky going on with the lights. It looked like the brake light up top is missing. I mean, not missing, but it's that one is bad too. So I'm gonna go replace that one, and hopefully when I do that, everything will be working good and everything will be working fine. Hopefully, fingers crossed, you know what I'm saying? If that don't work, then that means it's some type of electrical problems, and we don't want that. So as y'all can see, I got the fiberglass on here. I haven't sanded anything yet, but I got all the holes filled and it's fully hard. It's done drying and everything, so all the holes is filled. So my next step is just to sand this down and then put a couple more layers on it so it get perfect smooth, and then I can paint it. But guys, I think I'm gonna take a break right here because I got a video to go edit. So I think I'm gonna cut this video right here. Hit the like button, man. Stay subscribed to the channel. If you're new, hit the subscribe. If you ain't new and you've been here since the beginning, go tell your people. Come to ITSVONTE'S world. Hit the subscribe button because we doing a giveaway at 1,500 subs. Multiple people, Cash App winners, multiple winners. Don't be a loser, be a winner. You know what I'm saying? So that's what it is, man. Just like that, we out of here.
And subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Uncle Bonte YouTube channel and my brother YouTube channel. Because all of us got YouTube channels.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn. Actually, ain't no cap with me. No cap. Your majesty. Yeah, bitch, I'm a king. King.